Hello, in this video I will show you how you can customize lock screen on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings and from here go to wallpapers and style. Now click on your wallpaper in use over here and now as you can see here is the lock screen, so you are able to customize your lock screen from here. You can change the style by using this button and now you can adjust the blur and also you can select the pattern over here. So also there is you can also change the clock over here, like this one for example. Also you can select additional info like steps or the weather. You can change the font of the clock and also adjust this font. Also you can change the color, and now when it's done you can simply just click apply. So you can do it from here. Also you can change wallpaper for your lock screen from this section. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.